Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Let's Learn Together. I hope that you are doing well. In this video, I retrace the origins, events, consequences and facts of World War I. So if you guys haven't seen my video on causes of World War I, watch it now. Link is in the description box. So let's get started the video. The World War I fought between the Central Powers and the Allied Powers. The Central Powers were Germany, Bulgaria, Austria-Hungary and Ottoman Empire. And the Allied Powers were Italy, France, Romania, Russia, USA and Britain. World War I was one of the great watersheds and deadliest event of 20th century geopolitical history. It led to the fall of four great imperial dynasties, that is Germany, Russia, Austria-Hungary and Turkey, resulted in Bolshevik Revolution in Russia, and its destabilization of European society laid the groundwork for World War II. World War I was a global war originating in Europe that lasted from 20th July 1914 to 11 November 1918. Before World War I, countries throughout Europe made mutual alliances that were Triple Alliance and Triple Entente. Triple Alliance was an agreement between Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. It was formed on 20 May 1882. The treaty provided that Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy were to assist each other in the time of war. On the other hand, Triple Entente found a powerful counterweight to Triple Alliance. Unlike Triple Alliance, it was not an alliance of mutual defense. The Franco-Japanese Treaty of 1907 was a key part of building a coalition. But Italy changed its bloc and joined hands with France secretly. In World War I, Triple Alliance known as Central Powers and Triple Entente known as Allied Powers. As I mentioned in my previous video that the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, who was shot to death by the Serbian nationalist Princip on June 28, 1914. Princip and other nationalists were struggling to end Austria-Hungary rule over Bosnia and Herzegovina. The assassination of Franz Ferdinand ignited Austria-Hungary, which led to the foundation of World War I. Because mighty Russia spotted Serbia, Austria-Hungary waited to declare war until its leader received assurance from German leader Kaiser Wilhelm that Germany would support their cause. Austria-Hungary leaders feared that a Russian intervention would involve Russia's ally France and possibly Great Britain as well. On 5 July, Kaiser Wilhelm secretly pledged his support. Thus, Austria-Hungary sent an ultimatum to Serbia with such harsh terms as to make it almost impossible to accept. Convinced that Austria-Hungary was ready for war, the Serbian government ordered the Serbian army to mobilize and appealed to Russia for assistance. So, on July 28, 1914, Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia and peace between Europe's great power quickly collapsed. Everyone at war. Within a week, Russia, Belgium, France, Great Britain and Serbia had lined up against Austria-Hungary and Germany, and World War I had begun. Majority of the fighting took place in Europe along two fronts, the Western Front and the Eastern Front. The Western Front was a long line of trenches that ran from the coast of Belgium to Switzerland. A lot of fighting along this front took place in France and Belgium. The Eastern Front was between Germany, Austria-Hungary and Bulgaria on one side and Russia, Romania on the other side. Invading France through neutral Belgium in the west and confronting Russia in the east is known as Schlieffen Plan. The Allied troops checked the German advance and mounted a successful counter-attack The defeat meant the end of German plans for a quick victory in France. Then the both sides dug into trenches and a lot of war was fought using the trench warfare along the Western Front. The armies hardly moved at all, they just bombed and shot each other. On the Eastern Front of World War I, Russian forces invaded the German-held regions of East Prussia and Poland, but were stopped short by German and Austrian forces at Battle of Tannenberg in the late August 1914. It was a resounding victory for German army. As a result, Russia signed an agreement in 1917 and freed German troops to face the remaining allies on Western Front. As the outbreak of fighting in 1914, USA remained on sidelines of World War I, adopting the policy of neutrality favored by President Woodrow Wilson. While continuing to engage commerce and shipping with European countries on both sides, Germany sunk 4 more US merchant ships that following month. On 2 April, Woodrow Wilson appeared before Congress and started war against Germany. The fighting ended on 11 November 1918 when a general armistice was agreed by both sides with the victory of Allied powers. The war officially ended between Germany and Allies with the signing of Treaty of Versailles when the Germany surrendered. So here's the brief overview of World War I. Let's move towards the interesting facts of World War I. Do you know more than 65 million men fought in war? Dogs were used in trenches to carry messages. It was first major war where aeroplanes and tanks were used. The 90% of 7.8 million soldiers from Austria-Hungary who fought in war were either injured or killed. When British first invented tanks, they called landships. Do you know the terrorist group who assassinate Archduke called as Black Hand? World War I took lives of more than 9 million soldiers, 21 million more wounded men. World War I brought about massive social upheaval as millions of women entered the workplace to replace men who went to war and never came back. World War I also helped to spread world's largest pandemic, that is Spanish flu, in 1918, which killed estimated 20 to 15 million people. The chemicals such as mustard gas and phosphine gas used in World War I. So, if you like the content of my video, what you waiting for? Go and subscribe my channel and give a big thumbs up and not forget to press the ring button. I will catch you later in the next video with amazing topics.